morning. Well, for you, I don't know what it is. I don't know. Could be evening, could be afternoon, but for us, it's morning. It is 7:15 here in Atlanta, the airport. We're close to the airport. There is a plane overhead, and it is day one behind the scenes. This should be fun because I'm coming along to get some behind the scenes. Come on with us, and we have a surprise guest that we are picking up right now. David Morefield is here, and he is working with us, and tonight is the our very first Atlanta Filmakers group, and we hope to see you there. So if you're watching this, give us a like button, subscribe, because we have a lot of fun and interested. We're gonna start posting more of these behind the scene, so you definitely want to turn your notification on and come along with the journey. So here we are. There's David.
Hello. Good morning.
There we are.
Do your thing.
I did.
Oh.
I got footage of it in there. I did.
Okay.
Well, when I was in there.
Oh.
I'm just getting some beef footage.
Yeah, she used to call it beef footage. Forever, it was funny.
Before I knew it was called B-roll, so now it's just beef footage. This is the floor. All ripped out and getting ready to get done.
Got mode, and then if you go to MR1, there should be.
Wait, MR1. Okay.
That should be.
See, that would be.
Rec 709. I got it as picture profile C11. I think it is.
Series S4K. Pick PP11. So you just need this card, right?
Yep.
I've never seen that. That's great.
Yep.
And what is that clamp called, Adrian?
Too high?
No, I mean, I don't think so.
Okay.
Whatever's structurally strongest.
We will link in the description what the clamp is. It's kind of a small space in there, so we'll stay out here. See, I'm the gopher. They just asked me to go for tape, and I went. I'm a good gopher. See? A good gopher always produces. Here you go.
Well, just hold on to it.
So yeah, this would be good. We could put it, yeah, for all that back there.
Oh, it's got that box from this.
Oh, yeah.
But it's okay. Oh, so that's perfect. It's good to sit on top of it.
Yeah. And actually, you could even zip tie that down. I'm sure that'll help them too, having more work. Like.
Okay, now I can use the tape.
Okay. And if you like what you see so far, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe. Turn that notification to all so you don't miss a thing in this awesome series.
Turn on the bachata music in the background.
Alright guys, so here we are. We're up to this step, waterproofing.
I've never met his wife.
Waiting for it to dry. A little thick there, so it might take a little longer. Ruth went out to grab some lunch, and we're gonna keep on going.
We have been here all day, and they are just down getting to put down the floor. Let me turn you around and show you guys.
So we're getting ready to install tile. Just finished with some lunch and see what happens. So right now the waterproofing's down and dry. They are snapped the line down and run the tile, and from there they install the whole thing and we'll keep going. So I got it over here.
Yeah, camera's working good, tools are working good. Lighting is crucial.
Yep. It has 60x up there. There you go. Makes it so much better. And there we go. Thin sets mixed, ready to go. Good consistency. These guys that have been doing this for a long time know what they're doing. So. See, how many did you break?
Huh?
How many tiles did you break?
0.
That's an expert right there. Because there's guys that go through like 3 pieces and they still didn't get it. So, yeah. Hey, I'm not an expert. I'm an expert at the thin sets and stuff.
You're talking from experience. Huh?
Yeah, sure am. So Rufus, how do you like having to spend all day doing this?
I don't like them.
What do you mean you don't like it?
I could do more productive things with my time. I just can't sit here.
But you're learning a lot.
Yes, that's true. I am learning a lot. That is true. That's the correct answer. Okay, I'm learning a lot.
Yeah, so next time you're gonna film more behind the scenes. You're gonna do his or you do ours at the same time.
Okay, sure.
How many cameras can you hold?
We'll get you a
I can hold
gimbal with
2.
double phones on it.
There you go.
Do the GoPro head strap.
There you go.
GoPro
Chest.
strap.
Don't tell him
The
that.
wrist
He'll
strap.
Get tempted. He'll get tempted. He'll take it. Seriously get tempted.
So no, we're not in a hotel. These are mock-ups
Like a hotel.
that they use, and
The door.
there you go. That's where we're at.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, that's funny.
Want to say special thanks to David Morefield for helping me with this shoot and helping me start this Atlanta Filmakers group. Make sure you check out his channel and subscribe. Link in the description. Day 2. We are gonna film the grouting process and covering up the floor so it can be protected.
On it now.
Say again?
Don't be on it, you're gonna get me going.
Almost done doing the grout, and it'll be a wrap. Got my gear somewhat started to pack away so that we can get on the road right after. All right, as you guys can see, it is done. The job is done. And it turned out pretty good. So let's grab my camera. That's it. It's a wrap.